Why discipline beats motivation every time. Because motivation is a myth. Let me say that again. Motivation is a myth. You've been lied to. I used to wait for that magical spark to hit me too until I missed deadlines, skipped workouts, and watched my goals crumble. Then I discovered the ugly truth. Motivation is a flaky friend. Discipline? Discipline is your ride or die. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build unshakable discipline even on days you feel like a couch potato. And guess what? You'll never need inspiration again. Let's get real. How many times have you started a project super pumped only to quit 2 weeks later? Or sworn you'd wake up at 5 a.m. only to hit snooze again? You're not lazy, you're human. And here's why motivation fails you every single time. First, motivation's a mood. It's like waiting for sunshine in Seattle. Good luck. A 2021 University of Scranton study found 80% of New Year's resolutions fail by February. Why? Because motivation crashes faster than a TikTok trend. You might feel unstoppable today, but what happens when life gets messy? Second, motivation loves drama. It thrives on Instagram quotes and late-night epiphanies. But real life, it's boring. It's Tuesday mornings. It's showing up when you're tired, stressed, or just over it. Think about it. When was the last time you felt motivated to floss? Exactly. Yet dentists aren't lying. Discipline keeps teeth intact. Third, motivation's a liar. It tricks you into thinking success should feel exciting 24/7. Spoiler, it doesn't. J.K. Rowling didn't feel like writing Harry Potter every day. Elon Musk doesn't vibe with spreadsheets. They just did the work. A Statista survey found 63% of gym memberships go unused after 30 days. Not because people hate results. They hate the grind. Here's the kicker. Relying on motivation is like building your life on quicksand. One bad day and poof, your progress vanishes. You're stuck in a cycle of guilt, shame, and I'll start Monday excuses. Sound familiar? Visualize this. Motivation is a sugar rush. It spikes, crashes, and leaves you hungry. Discipline? It's the slow-cooked meal that fuels you for the long haul. But most people never taste it because they're too busy chasing the next dopamine hit. Let's cut the fluff. Building discipline isn't about willpower, it's about systems. Think of discipline like a bridge. Motivation? That's the flashy fireworks show reflecting off the water. Pretty, but useless for crossing the river. Here's your blueprint. Step 1. Build your bridge. Daily non-negotiables. Discipline starts with what you do, not how you feel. Pick 1 to 3 tiny actions you'll do daily, rain or shine. Brushing your teeth isn't exciting, but you do it. Why? Because it's non-negotiable. A 2009 University College London study proved habits take 18 to 254 days to stick, but daily repetition is the golden thread. Example, write 100 words a day, walk 10 minutes, or prep 1 healthy meal. Tiny wins compound. Step 2. Treat feelings as background noise. Motivation shouts, don't feel like it, quit. Discipline whispers, feelings lie, just move. Visualize your brain as a toddler. If it whines, I don't wanna, you don't cancel the day. You say, we're doing this anyway. Metaphor. Discipline is your thermostat. Motivation is the weather app, unpredictable and irrelevant. Set your temperature routine and ignore the forecast. Step 3. The 2-minute rule. Outsmart resistance. Procrastination thrives on big, scary starts, so shrink the ask. Commit to 2 minutes of your task. Research shows starting cuts 80% of the mental resistance. Once you're moving, inertia takes over. Example, I'll just put on my running shoes turns into a mile. I'll write 1 sentence becomes a page. Step 4. Track, don't judge. Motivation obsesses over results. Discipline cares about streaks. Grab a calendar. Mark an X every day you show up. A 2020 Harvard study found people who track progress are 42% more likely to hit goals. Why? Visual proof beats vague trying. Pro tip, miss a day, no drama. Reset the streak, don't self-sabotage. 1x failure. Visual metaphor alert. Discipline is your bridge. Each X on the calendar is a plank. Miss 1, add 2 tomorrow. The goal isn't perfection, it's forward motion. Still think this sounds rigid? Let me ask you, would you trust a bridge that only exists when workers feel like building it? Exactly. Your goals deserve better. Let's get specific. Because discipline looks different for a student versus a CEO versus a parent. Here's exactly how to apply this, no vague advice. If you're a student, you're drowning in deadlines, parties, and I'll study tomorrow lies. Try this. 1. The 30-minute non-negotiable. Pick 1 daily task, e.g. review notes after class. Do it before TikTok, Netflix. 2. 2-minute rule for papers. Open your laptop. Write one sentence. Momentum does the rest. 3. Track your streaks. Tape a calendar to your dorm wall. X's is days you showed up. Text pizza night. Stat alert. A 2022 UC Berkeley study found students who stuck to daily micro habits scored 23% higher on exams. If you're working full-time, you're exhausted by 6 p.m. Here's your playbook. 1. Time block your mornings. 6-7 a.m. is yours. Work out, journal, or learn a skill. Protect it like a CEO meeting. 2. Meal prep Sundays. Cook 3 staple meals. Chicken, rice, veggies. No, I'm too tired excuses. 3. The 5-minute reset. Overwhelmed? Set a timer. 5 minutes of tidying your desk email inbox. Action kills anxiety. Metaphor. Your day is a jar. Fill it with rocks, non-negotiables first, not sand. Reactions to others' demands. If you're a parent, your time isn't yours, but you can steal it back. 1. Lego time blocks. 15-minute chunks during naps, playtime. Read 5 pages, stretch, or brainstorm side hustles. 2. Habit stack with kids. Do squats while they play. Listen to podcasts during carpool. 3. 2-minute rule for self-care. Can't meditate for 20? Do 2 minutes of deep breathing. Done. Perfect. Stat alert. NIH research shows micro-workouts, 5 to 10 minutes a day, reduce stress by 34% in busy parents. If you're a creative, writer, artist, etc., waiting for inspiration, bad plan. Try this. 1 daily micro-actions. Write 50 words. Sketch 1 doodle. Record 30 seconds of a song. 2. Separate creation editing. Mondays equals create, Fridays equals edit. Mixing them kills flow. 3. Track your butt and chair time. Use a cheap timer. 25 minutes of work equals 5 minutes scroll break. Visual metaphor. Creativity is a faucet. Let discipline turn the handle, inspiration will flow. If you're an entrepreneur, no boss, no structure, build your own. 1. Non-negotiable task. Pick 1 revenue-driving action daily, e.g. 5 sales calls, 1 LinkedIn post. 2. Theme days. Mondays equals marketing. Tuesdays equals product. No chaotic multitasking. 3. Track outputs, not hours. Measure tasks completed, not time worked. Stat alert. A Stanford study found themed workdays boost productivity by 27% versus reactive mode. The bottom line. Discipline isn't one size fits all, but the system is. Tiny actions plus ignoring feelings plus tracking streaks equals unstoppable momentum. Pick 1 example above and try it tomorrow, not when you're ready, tomorrow. Here's the truth. Everything you just learned is worthless unless you take action. Today, not tomorrow, not after this video, right now. So let me ask you, what's the one thing you'll commit to? Writing 100 words daily? Blocking mornings? Tracking streaks? Pick it. Write it down. Text it to a friend. Hell, comment bridge builder below, I'll hold you accountable. Because here's the secret. Discipline isn't a personality trait, it's a decision. A 2023 Journal of Behavioral Science study proved people who act within 24 hours are 76% more likely to succeed. So don't overthink it, just start. Remember the bridge metaphor? Every great bridge started with 1 plank. Your first plank is that 1 action. Miss a day? Add 2 planks tomorrow. The goal isn't perfection, it's persistence. And if you're thinking, but what if I fail? Let me stop you. Failure isn't the enemy, inaction is. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter was rejected 12 times. Colonel Sanders pitched KFC 1,009 times. They didn't wait for motivation. They showed up. Your turn. 1. Pick 1 tactic from today's video. 2. Do it today, even if it's 2 minutes. 3. Comment below with your commitment. Why? Because declaring it publicly triples your odds of success. Yep, science says so. Next week, I'm dropping a video you need. How to eliminate brain fog in 5 minutes, science-backed. Imagine crushing tasks with laser focus, no coffee required. Smash that notification bell, you won't want to miss it. Last thing, look in the mirror tonight and say, I'm a bridge builder. Because that's what discipline is. Brick by brick, day by day, until one day you look back and realize you've crossed oceans. I'm dead serious. Start now. Your future self will thank you.